welcome back to Brothers Talk. And today you find me on my work commute. So as we alluded to in the last video, we have moved out, so we've moved a little bit more sort of semi-rural. So probably about a 25-30 minute drive into work now, but get to enjoy a few country roads. So get to stretch the legs a little bit in the morning and the evening of the car, which is nice. Just this time of year, obviously you just can't keep it clean. It's an absolute nightmare. It don't matter how many times I clean it, as soon as I come out, probably got a tractor in front of me or wherever it might be, or obviously always raining, but it's an enjoyable drive. So yeah, really enjoying the car, absolutely loving this thing, and getting it out on the road the first thing is brilliant. Not hitting speed bumps and traffic lights every 30 seconds. So yeah, absolutely loving the car. Now, a couple of weeks ago I put together a comparison video for stock to H-pipe since I've had it done, and I mean, when I was editing it, I wasn't happy with it, so I haven't put it out, but I noticed the sound from outside the car. Now obviously I'm always driving, so never noticed it before, but it sounded like a bit of a rattle. Now nothing's loose, but I'm thinking it is maybe the flex pipe needs replacing really. Obviously the car is 9 years old, so that could be the case. So I'm looking for a little bit of help if possible from Mustang owners, Mustang groups. If you could just give us a little bit of advice, see if you've come across this before, see if you think that is the fix. I'll put some clips in now. I'll do a little bit of a before and after, just so you get an idea. You can certainly notice it more on some clips. Like I say, it's a bit of a metally sound, a little bit of a rattly sound. So let us know, please. Obviously drop us a message, let us know your thoughts, any advice. Obviously I will take it back to the exhaust place. I know it's nothing they've done with the H-pipe. I think it is the flex pipe from what I can see or hear when I put my head under the car. Obviously I can't grab it or anything and find out if that is the issue or anything like that, but yeah, let us know, and yeah, we'll go from there. But loving the car, it's so fun. So let us know what you think of the modifications. Obviously I've put some photos on in the last video. Obviously I had the spoiler done, the stripes, the dechrome, the window surrounds, and I love the way it looks. Let me know if you would have done anything different, if you think I should be doing anything else. Dino keeps saying get the wheels blacked, but I don't know if I'm past that phase, particularly going with white stripes as well. But yeah, I love the way it looks, love the way this thing drives. Look to bring you some more videos on it, and some, I suppose, review really. Like I say, we keep saying we're going to do it, but just with working in the day, it's getting dark early now. Obviously clocks have changed in the UK. It's a nightmare for me and my brothers to try and get together and try and put these videos, but keep trying bringing them, keep trying to bring updates, so stay tuned. But thanks for watching. Give us a like and subscribe, certainly helps the channel out, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye.